I am Dr. Vedabhyas Kundu. I work with Gandhi and Darshan Samiti. I've been conducting workshops both nationally and internationally on different dimensions of nonviolent communication. I give training to judicial officers on use of nonviolent communication for meaningful interaction between the bar and the bench. An important dimension of my training is how we can use non-violent communication and the Gandhian approach to mediation for resolution of workplace conflicts and conflict de-escalation in workplaces. That is something which has got a lot of tractions. Also, I conduct training of teachers on how they can use different ideas of non-violent communication for better and classroom management practices. It has a huge kind of possibilities of using non-violent communication and non-violent conflict resolution in the society that we live today. Thank you.